Hello, everyone. Welcome to my personal broadcasts. Today, I'm going to deal with 5 reasons why an insurance company may refuse to pay your motor insurance claims. I'll try to be as brief as possible, but just before I begin giving you the 5 reasons, let me tell you a little bit observation that I have made. For the past about 3-4 years, I've been an insurance agent and interacting with commercial drivers especially, I realize that most drivers think that insurance companies are thieves because they believe that after they have paid their premiums, when it is time for them to get money from the insurance companies, they don't get paid. But is that really true? Well, the point is that many of these people commit 1 or 2 mistakes, and this is the reason why the insurance companies refuse to pay their claims when it is time for them to pay the claim. So today, I'm going to focus on just 5 of the mistakes that you can commit which will prevent an insurance company from paying your claims. And maybe another time, I'll pick another set and talk about them. The first one is fake insurance. My brothers and sisters, many people are driving around with fake insurance stickers. Well, the reason is that they don't buy from genuine insurance companies or from genuine agents, and especially our brothers who are taxi drivers and commercial drivers. If you're an insurance agent and you mention the correct premium to them, they probably think you are trying to cheat them. And so they will tell you that they are going to pay half of the price. And if you tell them you cannot accept that money, they will go and buy it from another place at that price and come and show you their sticker. Well, when they go to buy from the other places, they don't actually go and buy insurance. They just go and buy trouble. And so the insurance stickers many of them are having are fake insurance stickers. And if you have a fake insurance sticker and you get involved in an accident, be rest assured the insurance company will never pay you because you have not had any insurance policy with them. Remember, insurance is a contract, and so if you have a fake sticker, you are not in contract with anybody at all. And again, if you have a fake sticker, you can even be arrested and prosecuted for having a fake sticker, and so you have to be aware of that. So if you want your insurance company to pay your claims, you have to buy a valid insurance policy, and that is the only way they can pay your claims when there's an accident. I would also advise passengers that if you want to board a car, be sure that the car has a valid insurance sticker, because if the car doesn't have an insurance, then it means if there's any accident, you as a passenger, you are also not covered. And there's an easy way of checking whether a car has a valid insurance or not. All you need to do is to dial *920*57#. Once you dial this, you have an opportunity to enter the car registration number, and the feedback will tell you whether the car has a valid insurance or not. So my point number one is that if you have a fake insurance policy, your claim will never be paid. Number two, if an unqualified driver is driving a car and the car gets involved in an accident, the insurance company will not pay the claim. It's as simple as that. Every insurance policy that you receive, just read and you would find out that the first 3 or 4 paragraphs, it will be somewhere in there that at all times the car should be driven by a qualified driver. Who is a qualified driver? A qualified driver is someone who has been licensed by the Driver and Vehicle License Authority to drive a vehicle. And remember that there are various classes of licenses. And so if I have a license B, which enables me to drive a saloon car or an SUV, it does not mean that I can go and drive a bus or an articulator. And so if the kind of the driving license you have does not qualify you to drive a particular car, and you go and drive that car and get yourself involved in an accident, there is no insurance policy for you. The insurance company will repudiate the contract and they will refuse to pay. There are also some drivers, they are holding the license all right, but the license is fake. If your license is fake, you are still an unqualified driver. And whenever there's an accident, the insurance company is not going to pay. Now, the third thing I'm talking about is overloading. In every car or on the roadworthy document of every car, the number of passengers that the car can carry are written clearly. In fact, most saloon cars can carry up to 5 persons. If your car can carry up to 5 persons and you go and carry 6 people and there's an accident, the insurance company is not going to pay because they are going to say that you overloaded the car, therefore, the capacity of the car was exceeded and you put the car in danger, which is why there was an accident, and therefore they are not going to pay you. So, my brothers and sisters, don't just get up and say, oh, as for these children, they are small, small, so I can put 10 children in the car instead of 5. No. If the car has 5 seats, make sure you don't carry more than 5 people in the car. If the car has 20 seats, make sure you don't carry more than 20 people in the car. Once you carry more than the number of people the car can carry, you are opening yourself up to be refused insurance claim anytime there is an accident. And then the fourth one is what we call the roadworthy renewal. In fact, in every insurance document, you are told that your car should be roadworthy at all times and you must comply with all the road user laws. And so, if you have a car and your roadworthy has expired, but your insurance has not expired, and you get yourself involved in an accident, you can be rest assured that the insurance company is not going to pay you because they only pay insurance on cars which are roadworthy. And if your car is not roadworthy, then legally your car is not entitled to claim any insurance from the insurance company. Finally, all the regular insurance we buy are not for car racing. If you want to engage in car racing, go and tell your insurance company that I want to engage in racing, and they will give you an insurance for racing. You are going to pay a higher premium for that. But for the normal premium that you are paying, racing does not include. And so you can't go and engage yourself in some car racing activity, and when your car gets crashed, you come to the insurance company to say, I have comprehensive, so buy a new car for me. No, they are not going to pay. You are not supposed to engage yourself in car racing with your regular motor insurance. And so, ladies and gentlemen, this has been Richard Ni Ama Esquire. I have taken it upon myself to educate Ghanaians on road and traffic regulations vis-a-vis motor insurance law, because I have noted that these things are putting a lot of people in trouble, but because we are not aware, we keep on doing it. You can subscribe to my channel either on Facebook or on YouTube, and I'll try my best in every week that I have some time. I'll prepare a short video and share with you so that I share the knowledge with you freely. Thank you very much.